Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I just recently reached 100 subscribers. Yay! So I thought that it was about time that I did a giveaway for you guys. So, Molly. This is my dog, Molly. Isn't she cute? So, the first thing that you will be winning is one of these Batiste dry shampoos, and it is with coconut and exotic tropical. And the next thing you will be getting is one of these in the nude palettes, or a W7. There's a bunch of different types. There's one that's called in the nude. This is mine, because you will be choosing yourself, so I will be purchasing this. There's this one in the nude with just some basic nude colors, and then there's one that's called in the buff, and then there's one in the night, and the one in the night has a little bit more purple colors and all kinds of stuff. It's more to do like a smoky eye instead of these just neutral colors. So you will be getting one of those. Then you will be getting this scented candle, and it is from IKEA, and it is with, I think it's vanilla, and it smells heavenly. So you will be getting one of those. Then you will be getting this to bring to school or whatever you want to do with it. You can write whatever you want in it. And this hasn't been opened. So the next thing you will be getting is from Makeup Revolution, one of my favorite brands. It's cheap, but it's really high quality. You get really much for the money. And the first thing is this Makeup Revolution Pro Eliminate. And it is so pretty, this one. I have one, I think it's a little bit like it, but it's in a palette called Radiance Palette. So yeah, that is one of the things. The next thing you will be getting is this lipstick. It hasn't been opened, so I'm not even gonna open it to show you the color, but you can see the color right there. It's just a red color. The next thing you will be getting is a intense lip gloss, and it is in a, there's not a color on it, but it looks, it's like a pinky brownish color. Nice way to describe it. And then the next thing and the last thing you will be getting is one of these Makeup Revolution liquid eyeliner. And this hasn't been opened. None of these things has been opened because it's going to be your stuff and I don't want to put my hands all over it. So that is what you will be getting in this giveaway. And to enter this giveaway you have to be subscribed to my channel, and it's not going to be where you subscribe and when the giveaway is done you unsubscribe. None of that. This is only for the subscribers. And if you're under 18, you have to get your parents' permission to enter this giveaway, because I will need your address, because I'm going to send it, and this is international. If you live in China, I'm going to send it to China. If you live in Canada, you will be getting it in Canada. So it's going to be an international. Everyone can enter this giveaway. And then you have to like this video, give it a thumbs up. And the last thing you'll have to do is what you're looking most forward to in the summer. Yeah, that's what you have to write in the comment. And I hope you like the prizes. And oh, one last thing. This giveaway will end in a month. So the 1st of March, this giveaway will end. And I'm going to choose one winner out of the ones that enters this giveaway. So I hope you like it, and until next time, bye.